Hey Glenn, it's the Ball Shop, and today we're going to put together an American classic, carry-out American Chinese recipe for roast pork lo mein. Fun to put together, and the results are fabulous. So let's get this thing cracking. Marinade for our roasted red pork. Now to do this, we're going to put a little bit of sesame oil into our wok. About 2 tablespoons. Into that, I'm going to just put in some pieces of ginger, about 3/4 to an inch long, and about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Bring that up to heat. Start getting some of those essential oils out of the ginger and the garlic. Once we've gotten to that step, we're going to add some soy sauce, about 1/4 cup. Any good quality will do. And then to give that some extra flavor, we're going to use some Chinese cooking wine, about 1/4 cup. And finally, we're going to add some 5-spice Chinese seasoning to this. And I put about 3/4 of a tablespoon in there. And really marinate this pork up. And finally, we're going to add 5 or 6 drops of just regular food coloring. Stir this up a little bit, and once we have this mixture infused, we then use this to marinate our pork in here. I typically like to use pork butt sliced into maybe 1-inch slices, and just put that right into our marinade, and you can set it in the icebox for about 2 hours. That should be significant. And once that is been marinated and that red color and all that flavor has been absorbed by the pork, we're going to be ready to cook this off. Now you could broil this in your oven. I just keep going back to the air fryer every time I get a chance because it's just so darn easy. Put this in for about 30 minutes on 390 degrees, and when it comes out just absolutely beautiful. Get this machine started up, and as you can see, there's your red pork. Just got to take a taste of this just because I have to. And man, oh man, that's some good tasting stuff. So now we're going to boil off our lo mein noodles. These are pretty quick cooking ones. Just take about 3 minutes in boiling water, and when the noodles are al dente, you don't want to overcook them because you're going to be doing a little bit more cooking when we do the stir fry, but we'll just spider those off, run them under some cool water to stop the cooking process. And once we get all of these noodles spidered off, we'll set these aside for the next step. Now this next step is we're going to take just some regular canola oil, bring that up to heat, some onion. We'll do fine with this, and a little bit of minced garlic. We'll stir fry that along, and then we'll take out our leading attraction, which is the red pork. Once we've kind of gotten these onions translucent, we'll throw that red pork in, and we'll stir fry that around. We're going to add some sauces to this, a little bit more of the soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons or so will do. You can use more if you like your salty. And then I like to put in about 3 good tablespoons of oyster sauce to our mixture. Now we're going to stir fry this around a little bit. Let the onion, the red pork, and the garlic infuse. And for our next step, we will have thrown in our noodles and some bean sprouts, carrots, julienne, and the noodles, of course. Stir frying this around using that oyster sauce, the red pork, the julienne, carrots, onions, bean sprouts. Make sure that all of the ingredients infused. And once you've got this thing cooked off just about to this point here, typically add to that a little bit of water just to kind of finally steam off the carrots and kind of infuse everything. I'll just cook it off here for just a second, just a smidge, just to loosen that up. And once we're done with that, we will then be ready to plate this dish. All right, folks, we did it. The Chinese American roasted red pork lo mein. Oh, this is going to be good, folks. Give this a try here. There's definitely a deluxe model here. Appreciate you stopping by, having me put together this classic American Chinese takeout classic. Certainly would be nice to get some new subscribers out there. We're going to be doing some crazy stuff on my show. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, bon appetit.